Among the negative traits of the soul is when out of laziness one gives up pursuing lawful provision and instead lives off others, such as social benefits, yet claims to behave in this manner because of their high level of trust in Allah, the Exalted, to provide for them. This criticism is not direction at those who are legitimately entitled to benefits. A Muslim should fulfill both elements of trust in Allah, the Exalted, by using the means they have been given, such as their strength, and by trusting in Allah, the Exalted, to provide for them as He has promised. Chapter 11 Hud, verse 6.
And there is no creature on earth but that upon Allah is its provision, and He knows its place of dwelling and place of storage. All is in a clear register.
Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shaykhpod.com.